Yeah, hello, you're welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how you can create a beautiful profile picture like this. This kind of profile picture helps you to look like an authority just from the very first time people are seeing it. So you can use this for your Facebook, you can use this for your Instagram, you can use this for your WhatsApp, your Twitter, LinkedIn, and all of your social media as profile picture. I guess that you have been seeing this, we have been seeing some other people doing something as beautiful like this. Some people pay designers, and some designers charge them as low as high as $10, $15 to get this created, but you're going to learn how to do this right now. So let's dive in this tutorial. So these are different shades that you can create. So I'll be showing you the app that you require for this. Let's move over to it. It's called Photo Room. These are the app is Photo Room. So you go to Play Store, you download it. So just click on it, ensure your data is on or your internet is connected. So now if the app has shown like this, what you just need to do is to click on Start from Photo. Very simple. When you click on Start from Photo, look for your photo here and add your photo. Just wait while it is scanning it, and it's going to scan it just now, and your profile picture is out. So that is it. So easy. So let's continue. Just wait for it for a while. Just wait for it. Okay, it has. Okay, sorry about that. It says an error occurred, but that doesn't often occur. Let's do it again. Let's wait for it. Do it again. So probably that was network. Okay, it's out. So now you can see now it's out already. So what you just need to do is so simple. You scroll down, you see profile picture, click on see all profile picture. Look at different shades of profile picture. You can check anyone you want that is beautiful enough and get it and use it for your profile picture. But I prefer this one. I like this one, so I just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open. What you want to do is to download it immediately. To download is very simple. You click here, then you're going to see Save to Gallery. Then click on Save to Gallery. It's going to be saved inside your gallery. So let's quickly go and check it to ensure that it is saved. So I'm clicking on Gallery. I'm checking my gallery now. So you can see it's already here, saved already. You can see it's already here, saved, but it has watermark on it. So I'm going to show you on how you can remove this watermark. To remove this watermark is very simple. What you need to do is go to Canva app and you just cover the watermark. That's what you want to do. So go and open Canva. Canva is a popular app. If you don't have it, go and download it. It's also on Play Store. So this is it. So I've opened Canva app. Now Canva has opened. Log in with your email or your Gmail, whichever that you use in registering this app. Then you click on the plus icon here. If you click on the plus icon, just type custom size. Type 1080 by 1080. Then create new design. So simple. Create new design. So it's going to come out in a square shape like you saw there. So let's just wait for it. It's going to come out now. This app also needs data, so ensure your data is on for it. Okay, well now it has opened like this. Just scroll down. If you have scrolled down, replace. So click on replace. So just allow. Then you click on upload. You first of all upload that photo that you just downloaded from Photo Room. You first of all upload it. So let's just watch and see. Get recent photo and upload it. Now I'm not using document, so that is Photo Room here. So this is it's uploading. I'll wait for it. Okay, now I finish uploading. What I just touch it, it's already here. So it's already here. What I want to do is I want to clean off this Photo Room off. So I'll click on the plus icon, get elements. I'll get any element, a rectangle, whichever, anyone. Just get an element. I think I'll take this rectangle, which is this one, and I'll bring it down here. I'll change the color to white because that background is white. So I'll change the color to white. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So now I've turned it to white. That's covered it. So what I want to do is just save this design. To save this design is so simple. I'll click here. So or just click on download. So whichever, download, then download as PNG. Then prepare your design. Your design will be downloaded and you can now go and use it. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Coach Kevin. I train people on several ways that they can make money online, leveraging on digital skills. Just click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you can see other videos that I upload. I'm going to see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video.